I'm going to just quickly show you how to shave or do the skin fade with the blade. Very easy. So first is first, it's really important to do the hairline here nice and sharp, nice and clean. But when you're doing with the blade, you can use the cream and also you can use the just cold water, because when you put the water straight away generate the heat. So massage it gently through the hair. It's as simple as that. And then when you put the blade, I'm going to go half centimeters below the line, because that's going to give me space to blend it in with clipper, that fine hair with zero, blending in to this hairline. So I wouldn't go directly to the line, I will go half centimeters below. So now, if I go just as I'm doing a shave, just go and 35-degree angle, and you can go very nice and gentle. It's really it's simple as that. So don't rush, don't be too quick, and just go like that. Here we go. As you can see, the hair is straight away to the skin, is perfect. And the other thing is really the more you do it step by step, it's easy to blend. For example, don't be worried about how can I blend it in to do that skin fade. First, from the skin fade to zero, and after the zero with half, and then with number one, and then you can go up, build it that way. You can do different way as well, but I'm trying to make it easy for you how to do it. So as you can see, it's really simple, really easy, and here we go. Now we're gonna go a little bit more here. You've seen it. It's how that easy the hair is coming off. So no anything than the water, just the water. And then you're bringing this all the hair down. Normally I can do the skin fade also with foils. I use the Babyliss Pro, which is really good. There we go. Okay, so after we've done that, now I'm going to be just going quickly. If I come to the other side, I'll show you the other side, because the other side's a bit dry. Just quickly, I'll show you. If you're going to use a small clipper, you can use this one, and then you just go with zero, and you're blending in that line. Look how easy that line is blending in. Absolutely no line at all. The bottom part, so the line is gone. So just with the zero, like this, and blending in that beautiful line to make sure blending in with the skin fade. And after that, you seen it? No line is there. Line is gone. Easy, very easy. But the thing is, the more you do it step by step, it is going to be easier. The more you make hard, it's going to be hard. The more you make easy, it's easy. Now, because you have blending in this with small clipper, then what you're going to do next, you're going to use the half. Or either you can go from the top to bottom, coming down. You can use 1.5, number one, half, and you're coming down. Or either you can use opposite way. Now we're done with small clipper 0, and next you're going to do with half, and then you're going to do with number one, and then do with 1.5. So it's the same way, same things, but just you're doing opposite. Now I will come and show you the full result. As I said, I'm going to be doing exactly the same. Now what I'm going to just quickly do here, I'm going to show you with half, how to use the half with that. Again, this is half I'm using. So I'm going to put a half, and then normally, but you can also either dry the hair or either you can do it on the damp. But I would say it's be better if you dry it, and then just use half. I'm just trying to show you one thing says here. I'm not trying to do it quicker, but otherwise I would blow dry it first to make sure it's dry, because when it's dry, it's really, you're more in control. Now, what I'm doing here, first of all, I'm creating like half centimeters or either 3 millimeters, depend how higher you want to go. Is it your blend is going to be lower blend or is going to be higher blend? So if it's lower blend, always do 1 millimeter or half millimeter or 3 millimeters or 1 centimeters, whatever you want to do. But let's say we're doing half centimeters. After that, now you can see the blend, and I'm going to go to clean that line. Clean that line. Again, absolutely no line whatsoever. The line is gone. So we're done with small clipper, and from small clipper to half, and now no lines is left. It's gone. So then we're going to do number 1, then 1.5, and as simple as that, it's done. Thank you very much.